And so guys, welcome back to my channel, and this particular survey is what we all will want to try. It is called Opiday. I am going to tell you things you need to know about this particular survey platform and how you can leverage properly on it. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. And so what we do right on this platform is to leverage online to earn for ourselves. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch right now. And for my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to support this channel. Now, with that being said, let's dive into today's business. So right here, you can see Opiday, share your opinion and win. So as a first time user, all you just need to do is to come right here to click on the sign up button. Okay, so what you're going to be doing right here is to insert your email address. So once you do that, you are going to be clicking on continue. So right here, I'm going to be inserting my email address right here, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, you'll be brought to the next interface where you need to put in your password. I recommend you use a password you will always remember. So right here, I'm going to put in my password and I'm going to hit the sign up button. So I'm going to insert my password right here. Okay, so I'm done inserting my password, so I'm going to click on sign up right now. Okay, so once I click on sign up, you can see automatically I already have an account on this platform. So let me go ahead to select my gender right here, and let me go ahead to select the date of birth right here, the month of birth right here, and the year of birth right here. Okay, so right here you can see that these details are complete, so I'm going to click on next. So you can see that we are connected to the United Kingdom in the country we are actually residing on. Okay, we are resided in the United Kingdom. So right here you can see your time zone. Just go ahead to click on continue. You can go ahead to change that if you understand better on this time zone. So I'm going to click on continue right here. So you can see after clicking on continue, you just made your account ready. As you can see, good news, your account is ready. Then you have 20 points. Now the reason why I love this particular survey is because once you have 1,000 points is equivalent to $10. Okay, so right here what we are going to be doing is to show you some things you need to know about this platform. So we are done with everything on our account. As you can see, we have 20 points right here, which is over 1,000 points. Just like what I said, you need about 1,000 points for you to be able to cash out $10 on this platform. So right here you can see earn money by completing surveys, good rewards, as you can see right here. Now how do you start taking surveys? You can come right here to this hamburger icon and you can see the breakdown of how this particular survey works. You can see survey, you can see rewards, activity, account, and the likes of others. So right here, how do you take surveys? Now this is what I always advise. When you create your account for the first time, this is what you're going to be getting: best success, or you can be getting screener questions. So what you're going to be doing is to click on this best success. Don't log out from your account without taking this best success points, which is the 66 points you're going to be having. So click on that right here. It's going to bring you over to this interface. Now they actually want to know how you are best with surveys. So what you are going to be doing is to click on this. You can see it here right here. It says the survey is still underway. How is it going? Everything is fine. I did not meet the criteria, so just click on everything is fine, then click on submit. Okay, so you can see that for yourself. So when you are done with that, you can go ahead to start picking other surveys right here. So you can see that there are tons of surveys right here. All you just need to do is to pick any of the surveys you actually want to go for. Just like I said, when you have about 1,000 points on your account, you can be able to reach the minimum withdrawal. So right here on your account, you can see BitLabs and the Synth. You can go ahead to click on these BitLabs right here to take these surveys. These are like a screener questions to your account, because these are the first surveys that you are to attend to before having other surveys coming to your account. So it is always advisable when you open your account on Opiday, you are going to be answering these questions just like a profile questions. As you can see right here, it says by selecting accept, you confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms of use. So click on yes, then click on continue. Even without taking this, you won't be allowed to go ahead taking surveys on your account. So what you're going to be doing right here is to pick the date of birth, and you are going to be arranging this according to what you have on your demograph. Okay, so I'm going to be picking my date of birth right here, and I'm going to, let me just pick, okay, I think this is okay, this is okay. Okay, so I'm good to go. So I'll click on continue. Okay, I'll click on continue. So these are just like a demograph to you. Okay, so make sure you input all your details properly so you can be able to attract more surveys. So I'm going to put my zip code right here. I'm going to put that right here. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so right here, approximately how many employees work at your organization? So let me go with 500 to 99. Okay, so these profile questions will be asked when you're taking survey, so you should note this down. Okay, the child age gender is, I have a boy of 7 years old. So I'm actually picking this according to the demograph I have. Okay, I'm picking this according to the demograph I have. So you should also pick according to the demograph you have. Okay, so I've picked that. I'm picking this employed fully. What is your current employment status? I picked employed fully. So right here I'm going to pick postgraduate PhD. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to be showing you the next thing you need to do. Every of my video, when you watch it, you would see that I am actually making reference to your pre-screener questions. The pre-screener questions are questions you need to attend to, just like a survey questions, but they actually want to know if you are ready for these surveys before you can go ahead to take any of them. Okay, so it's just like you completing your profile after setting up your account. So right here you can see we found a better match. We are sorry, but this researcher seems to be looking for a very specific target audience for the survey. We have now discovered surveys that align better with your interest and preference. Now it is because you answered your screener questions, that is why they were able to bring you all these surveys for you to attend to. As you can see right here, we have different points, so you can go ahead to take any of them right here. This one happens to be 7 minutes, this one happens to be 5 minutes, so you can go ahead to take any of these surveys right here, and you can have wins to it. So I'm not going to be taking that right here. I just want to show you that you can quickly register on Opiday and take your offers. Now when we close this right here, let me go over to the main page. Are you sure? Okay, let me go over to the main page so I can show you some other things you need to know. So right here, during your registration process, you were not asked for verification of mobile number or virtual number. You were not asked for ID verification, so you can go ahead to keep on taking this survey. Now the question you will be asking is, does this actually worth my time on this particular platform? If yes, you can go ahead to take them. Now this is actually a survey of 7 minutes, this is actually a survey of 11 minutes and 5 minutes. So they have different surveys depending on how long you want to spend on this platform. Let's say we want to go for the one of 4 minutes right here. These are the questions you will keep on answering on your account. For quality reason, please select number 5 as the answer. So this is what they want to be sure of, that you are human. Okay, so there are some questions like this that will come up on your account. They just want to know if you are really concentrating on your account. Okay, so right here they say, which of the following streaming service do you have you heard of? So you can go ahead to pick any of which. If you could travel to any place in the world, where would you go to? And you can just put in African. So it depends on what you have on your demograph and how you want to answer your surveys. Okay, so these are just questions that you can easily answer on Opiday and you get your rewards. So Opiday is actually a survey platform that does not require much from you, but the question that normally comes to everyone's mind is, does this point actually worth your time? To me, I would say this is actually a good one, because once you have about 1000 points, that is equivalent to $10 on your account. So all you should be targeting is accumulating about 1000 points on your account, as this particular survey deals with points. So once you are able to have about 1000 points on your account, you should be getting closer, or you should be able to reach the withdrawal threshold, which can allow you place your withdrawal. Okay, so that is how this platform works. It is actually user friendly. The interface is actually understandable. You can also see that there are games right on this particular survey platform, that is if you can have access to it. So there's a method we follow in getting all these particular games on our phone and how we can navigate through them. Imagine having 3000 points. You can see that you're already above the withdrawal threshold. So these are the fastest means of you getting more points on your account. But right here, I would advise you go through the method which you know best, which is through surveys. So you can go through surveys and start accumulating your point for yourself. So Opiday is a fast one which anyone can start with. You can keep on accumulating your points. As you can see that there are so many surveys right here. Just keep on accumulating your point for yourself. So after you might have accumulated your points for yourself, you can see that it is 1000 points, which is equivalent to around £10 on your account. So you can see this is where your points keeps reading. Okay, this is where your point keeps reading. You can see that right here. There is no payment right on this account, so you can see that these are the details of your earnings. So once this particular box keep moving to the end, you are going to be seeing the track of your earnings. So you just have to keep on accumulating your points for yourself. Now when you click on rewards right here, it's going to display the method of which you can withdraw, or the method of which you can cash out your earnings. Now these are Visa virtual card, these are PayPal, these are Amazon, and these are some other gift cards right here. Like I also mentioned in all my videos, that when you have a survey platform that has varieties of gift cards, you can actually trust that particular survey platform, because it actually gives you options to try different ways of getting your rewards. Now for some of us using PayPal, once you click on PayPal right here, you can see that you need at least 1000 points, and this is actually what you are going to be getting. Once you have 1000 points, this is the rewards. Once you have 2000 points, this is the reward, so and so forth. So that is how this platform works. It is actually user friendly. Once you set up an account for yourself, you are going to be given 20 points, which you can keep on accumulating points by taking surveys. That is why I said I recommend, when you create your account for the first time, make sure you are taking your profiling question, which is the screener. So when you go back to your account right here, you are going to be seeing tons of surveys, but under here you can see we have current balance and progress achieved. So these are methods and these are ways, these are what you need to focus on, the progress of your points, because right here on this circle you can see I have 20 points. So once the 20 points keep going round till it gets to 1000 points, I'll be allowed to withdraw my earnings through different means I just showed you. Okay, so right here on your account, once you keep on taking your surveys, you are going to be having more of them on your account. You don't have to leave your account dormant for you to have the threshold. It has been said that you need 1000 points, so you need to work for the 1000 points for you to be able to withdraw. So once you get to the 1000 points, all you just need to do is to click on the withdraw, the rewards right here, and it's going to take you over to this page. If you want to use Visa virtual card, if you want to use your PayPal, if you want to use the Amazon, it depends on you. Just go ahead to click any one you want to use, and you can quickly place your withdrawal. Okay, so right here you can see when I click this, it says you are missing points to get this reward. So you need 1000 points for you to get your rewards, which is the minimum withdrawal. And so that is how Opiday works. You can use the link on the pinned comment section to set up an account for yourself and start leveraging Opiday today. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.